Sanibona bafethu uVane Sports lo. So ngizokhuluma about igame yezolo. Selehlile igwebu, yabo sekwehlile. Izolo ama-emotions ade high. Izolo ama-emotions ade high kakhulu. Ngizokhuluma la about igame yezolo. Yabo there were many comments after igame yezolo. Ama-fans amaningi complainile about certain players. Nami ngokwami yabo I judged some players based on our performance yesterday, but ke sekudlulile lokho yabo sekudlulile lokho. Ngizokhuluma la about igame yethu esizoyidlala elandela igame yethu le esiyodlala nayo iPyramids FC ngolesihlanu yabo neSundowns nayo iyodlala against iPyramids FC ngawo lesihlanu iyodlala against njalo iAl Ahly esingawo lesihlanu siyasodlala nePyramids yabo. So la ngokwami le game esiyoyidlala le I don't think ukuya kwethu le ikhona into entsha esizoyibona ngale team yabo. Ngiyaqala ngona ukubona i-team edlala away eqhamuka eEgypt eqhamuka eNorth Africa edlala kanje midlala away, because most of North African teams when we see them playing away they like to waste time, they like to lie down a lot, they like yabo benza nje ama-tricks are weird ukumosha isikhathi. But when we saw indlela edlala khona iPyramids izolo, they didn't hold back. They knew what they wanted to do to Orlando Pirates. They had a game plan and they wanted to accomplish that game plan against the Orlando Pirates. So for the Orlando Pirates ukuthi ile eCairo, they already knew izinto ezizokwenzeka. I-team manje mele isethe ama-plans based on izinto ezenzeke kule game. We already know yabo indlela abadlala ngakhona. Siyabazi iba i-team dangerous. By team dangerous yabo. That's a good news. That's a W for Orlando Pirates, because uma iscore siphela ngo-1-1 Orlando Pirates iyadlula lapho ya kuma final yabo. Pyramids FC ngezidlala ibhola esingalazi mase sidlala le iyodlala ibhola esilazi, because they didn't hold back, they displayed their beautiful football yabo. They displayed ngokwami mina ngokubona kwami mase siyodlala lapha. Ngikhulumile ngelook ahead, game look ahead bese ngasho ukuthi siyeke ukwenza ama mistakes angena sidingo. Izolo senza ama mistakes amaningi angena sidingo. Cishe yasiphanisha iPyramids ngale bhola eliflickwe uMbokazi. They nearly punished us yabo. Sibe nenhlalo nje kwawo beyi offside. Abantu abaningi bathi leli abe kuyigoal. Angazi mhlawumbe abantu abaningi maybe mhlawumbe mina ibhola ngilazi ungangitshela ama comments ngokwakho, but for me that's an offside, because before ibhola lize lishawe the guy was already offside. Before the ball was kicked Fiston Mayele was already offside yabo. uMbokazi ke uliflickile ibhola, uliflickile nje ibhola beliflickile abanye uSipho, but the guy who saw an opportunity to kick the ball to Seppo bese offside vele. So ulinesman bekumele aphame isiduku lakhe ngosikhathi lomdlalo lo wePyramids FC khahlela ibhola yabo. Itsephithi akaflegang urefi, abantu abaningi ababunanga yabo babone sekuyigoli, but ke iVAR isizile izolo naleli igoli lesandla. Abantu abaningi bathi liyana bekuyigoli because isandla besikwi correct position. No, ayikho leyo nto. You cannot tell me ngoba isandla besikwi correct position shoot igoli. Ukore ngesandla at the end of the day. They used isandla. Ukuba besingekho isandla uSipho bezobamba lela bhola kahle because beliya kuyena. Ibhola lishintshe idirection because isandla ebesisebenza lapha kuze ngene igoli yabo. Isandla besisebenza. I saw many fans be blame uNkoda ukuthi Nkoda why Nkoda iperformance yaKoda bad, iperformance yaKoda kumsangana bafethu. Asingafaki ipressure kubachita yabo. The whole squad izolo ngasho ukuthi bakhona benza ama mistakes, bakhona badlale kahle, but abachita badlalile izolo bayimisela yabo. Sijabulele nje kona ukuthi asiconsideranga izolo, because mase siyale sizoba ne boost eningi ukuthi okay sisiyabazi vele uzibadlala kanjani yabo. Ipressure nje ayisekho kuthina, ipressure isikubona manje, ipressure isikubona. Sakora nje thina igoli elilodwa yiloko esikufunayo. Sakora igoli elilodwa nabo bakora siyadlula phela siyaphambili. Kumele sishaye uqhwasha siyibambelele iziyophela igame. Yabo. Sishaya nje lo qhwasha lo. Senza njalo phela against DMC Alger. Ngokwami mina. Ngokwami. Ngibuye kwindaba yaNkota. Abantu abaningi kade beblame uNkota. Blame uNkota uthi uNkota izola abanga negame emnandi. The reason not being it's because uNkota uqalile. uNkota phela akajwayele ukuyiqala igame. If you remember uNkota against DMC Alger, kodwa wangena second half wenza izinto zenzeka. Yebo. And many people they are quick to forget ukuthi the reason why we are in the semi-finals it is because of yena uNkota. The reason why sidlala kwi-semi-final it's because of uNkota. So I fail to understand why ni criticize umfana omncane. Yabo. Mina abe siyambheka umfana enze kahle second leg. Yabo. Lento leyo yokuthi sesikhumbula uSaleng manje. We miss uSaleng because we didn't win because Nkota didn't play well. But you didn't say you miss uSaleng when we won against DMC Alger when we were playing away. When Nkota scored that goal, you didn't say you miss Saleng. But when we failed to score or when we failed to win against the Pyramids, you say you miss uSaleng. Yes, it's called isikhala saSaleng, but don't say that when we have a bad game. Why don't you say that uma swinile? Yebo, kunezinto ngempela bafethu ekumele siyimind uma sizisho. Yabo, indlela esetha ngakhona towards our players sometimes it's really shocking. Yabo. Nje ngabona abantu abaningi bethu uMakgopa adlala kahle uMakgopa ascoreli. Yes, uMakgopa ascoreli, but ufuna uMabasa plays like umdlali odlala against us most of the time. Because uMabasa score goals. uMabasa umdlali lo simdinga igoli. But uMabasa doesn't play like a normal striker esebenziswa kwigame yamanje. Ibhola lamanje lihlukile nebhola lakudala. uMabasa uyile striker, traditional striker uMabasa. Striker leseshaya inqako. Akusona striker lesesdrophayo so siziteam imaki. Yabo. I-striker zamanje isetshenziswa coach bamanje kwibhola lamanje. Ile striker lezi ekwazi ukudropa sidlalisa team, zicollect team. Yabo nje abadlali abanje ngoKai Havertz. Players like that. Yabo uKai Havertz kayasenala indlela adlala ngakhona. Isinje esinye striker engayenza example ngakhona. Wangitshela ama-comment ukuthi siphi striker uMakgopa cishe afane naso. Yabo, i-striker esidlalisa i-team. I-striker esicreate ama-chances for ama-forward. Yabo. Yes, umsebenzi wakho uMakgopa ukora. But sometimes you have to look ukuthi okay. Njobe engakore yini ayenza i-team, isiza ngani i-team. Njobe engakore uMabasa yini ayisiza nge-team. Ayikho. Yiso igame yayizolo. Akoranga, yes, but yini ayisizile nge-team. If you can check i-hit map yamabasa kwigame yayizolo ne-hit map yaMakgopa kwigame yayizolo, you will see into engikhuluma ngayo. You will see into engikhuluma ngayo. Ama-hit map wabo ayizolo kwigame yayizolo. You will see no man. There's a difference between the two of these guys. Yebo. So, guys, even though uMakgopa uyascoreli, but we need umdlali onjengoMakgopa kwi-squad se-Orlando Pirates in order for the team to function. Yebo. There were too many mistakes at the back yesterday. Sebastian wasn't comfortable with the ball. He wasn't comfortable. Yebo. But again, mina ngokwami Pirates yawo final. That's the bottom line. We are going to the final. No matter how we played yesterday, we already know our opponents. Siyawazi ukuthi ba capable of doing what. Yebo. We already know our opponents. Our best player yesterday was uSibisi and Van Rooyen for me. Nah, Mbogazi. First half, Mbogazi was excellent. Second half, I didn't see much of Mbogazi because but I didn't see much of Mbogazi second half. Ngalo ngumfana besesaba ukufaka ama-tackle because besene-yellow card because phela izolo Mbogazi uthole i-yellow card in the first half. So second half, I seen a little bit of Mbogazi, but uSibisi throughout the game, the boy was very, very good. The guy was very good actually. So yeah, I mean I feel like pressure is with Pyramids right now. Pressure is with Pyramids. They know it's Orlando Pirates team estubborn. Njoba uyi-team estubborn nje bayazi ukuthi Orlando Pirates bana yipi indlela yokudlala. Yabo. So nje next game for me uNkoda angahlala ebenchini kokuqale maybe uDlamini aqale in that position. Ku number 10 position sifake maybe lo mfana lo Mfukeng. Mase kuthi ka left wing sifake uHotho. Number 9 position sifake uMahope. Mase kuthi kubumbatha mase kuMakehlini Makhawula lapha sidlala i-6-6 esiswini. Yabo kunomdlalo ekuthiwa uThora lapha kuleya game wePyramids FC. La mdlalo bevala wonke amabhola ade sihamba nawo bewavala gazi kanjani but ke ubekwazi ukudlala. Next game mele senze sure ukuthi sisebenzela kuyena lo amjide lo, sifaka abadlali aba creative esiswini abazokwazi ukumove ibhola quick. Moving the ball quick makes the team play better. Ukuba khona kwamahopa adrop azodlalisa team kumove ibhola quick mase kuyahanjwa. Yebo because phela ngeke simove ibhola la kungekho umuntu ozosiza somove ibhola, uzodrop mahopa asize simove ibhola mase siyahamba siphume sonke. Kuno Van Rooyen ngala ka right mase kuba noma noHotho ngale ka left, bazoqhasha bayiphambili bawu edema numbers bashama cross. We saw crosses yesterday but we didn't see the number 9. We saw crosses yesterday but we didn't see the number 9. But again, that's a story of another day. Engakusho nje bafethu, Orlando Pirates will win. Orlando Pirates is going to the final. What's against which team, I don't know. But Orlando Pirates is going to the CAF Champions League final. You need to bookmark this video and come back next week when we play, when the game is finished. Come back to this video and tell me ukuthi hawuvani uthi iPirates izowina nje kwenzalini. Yes, besineza inkinga but the technical team saw ukuthi team idlala kanjani. Yebo. So uvane sport bafethu ungakhohlwa subscribe, ngiyabonga ngesupporting niyami.